Hello, my name is Manuela, and last weekend I visited an abandoned house. Very scary. I feel very scary. A very old and big house. It was 3 seasons. It was so big that boys were here at the end. I visited four rooms of a castle in Germany. She was very old, and it was uh, scary to be there. I was entering the first room, which was the living room. I observed a large old mirror and a black shelf. In the corner, a large chandelier with five candles that gloomily illuminated in, in the room. Excuse me. When I am entering the corridor that connected with the bedroom. I saw many portraits of uncouth people that were on the wall and were when entering the bedroom. There was a large bed, excuse me, a bed full of cobwebs and a lot of dust that showed how lonely and empty the bed was. Um, and I kept walking and entered another room that seemed to be the kitchen. There was an old refrigerator and some pots and spoons. I left the room and found the but right there was an old bicycle and a carrier roasted and covered by time. Um, I left so shielded that I ran out of the place as far as possible. Okay, okay, yes. There were many in the second station. Things were moving and table were falling. I was very scary. Yeah. Okay. Okay. This this was my experience in the haunted house. I hope you got scary. Goodbye. Thank you.